Hello Amazons, it's me, and this is something a little different. I just want to show you guys some loose gemstones that I purchased. Lately I've been more interested in having my own jewelry made because I haven't been able to find the rings and pendants that I want. I love big stones. You guys know I love big stones. So let's just jump in. This is in no particular order. So where I bought them, they were nice enough to put the millimeter size. So this is a beautiful sodalite. I thought this was gorgeous. It's got the orange streaks running through it. Let me see. You guys can kind of see the color better there. This is a very, very beautiful sodalite. It's a cabochon. That's the back. You can see the back is not polished. So I don't know if I want to have this made into a ring or a pendant yet. I don't know. This one here is a beautiful Labradorite. And I hope you guys can see it's multicolored. There you go. So it's got oranges and all sorts of colors in it. I'm thinking I want this one made into a pendant. As you can see, it's very glittery. Very pretty Labradorite. There, you guys can kind of see it better. You can see the different colors in it. It's got an intense blue. It's got like a brown, yellow. Love Labradorite. You can see it's even spotted. So I just want to make sure I don't lose the millimeter sizes on these things. Let's see. This one here is a moonstone. A really, really pretty moonstone. Which I guess that's not really going to help. But look at that. This one's really, really rainbowed. Gorgeous, gorgeous stone. Had to have her. So I'm thinking this one's gonna go be made into a ring. And again, the camera is not gonna do these stones justice, but they're beautiful. So let me put her back in there. There's a lot of Labradorites. I'll just give you guys the heads up now because I couldn't decide. So this is another one, and if you guys can see, this Labradorite is purple at the bottom, which is why I picked it. It's purple and it's a pear shape. Very beautiful. Labradorite is even beautiful from the back. But yeah, this one, she is purple on the bottom. So yeah, very purple on the bottom. Oh yeah, there you go, you can see it. So that's the other Labradorite I bought, and as you can see, it's a nice big stone with the measurements. I purchased this pretty malachite. I want this one made into a ring. Look at that. That would be a gorgeous ring. You can see the striations in it. That would be a beautiful ring. So I want this one made into a ring. Again, in stores, I couldn't find a large ring. And honestly, it's just cheaper to get the stones and have the rings made. So I don't know why JTV and other places don't offer really big rings. Gemstone statement rings. So since they don't, I will have them made myself. If you make jewelry, if you make semi-mounts and settings, please contact me. Maybe we can do business. I purchased this Labradorite. This one is gorgeous. Look at that. It's like half green, half blue. Couldn't walk away from this pretty thing. I don't know if I want it as a pendant or a ring yet. but she is gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous stone. I love Labradorite. I really, really do. Such a pretty stone. Another Labradorite. There's a lot of... I went crazy, so sorry. But yeah, this one. This one has a pretty blue pattern to it. So this one's the most blue out of all the ones I bought. Look at that. This deep, deep, deep blue. Like, look at that. There you go. This one is super deep blue. I've never had one this pretty. I don't know why they don't sell these gorgeous ones in jewelry. So yeah, this one is breathtaking. I think sorry guys, my phone ran out of space, so I'm gonna have to piece this video together. So the next stone is a moonstone. And as you can see, this is a gorgeous moonstone. Look at the flashes in that one. Let me see if this will do anything. Probably not. But it's very translucent. I hope you guys can see that. Very translucent stone. She is a beauty. And I'm definitely thinking a ring for this one. So, put her back in her little pouch there. Mostly Labradorites left. This pretty thing here. Again, the measurements. This Labradorite is green. Have you guys ever seen a green Labradorite? It is completely green. And I definitely want a ring made out of this one. Total beauty. And again, the camera is literally not even doing these stones justice at all. So gorgeous, gorgeous stone. These are big carat weights. Like some of these are over 100 carats. Some of them are like between the 50s and 60s. Beautiful, beautiful ring. Green. Oops. Now the camera doesn't want to stay still. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. All natural gemstone, untreated. And there you can see the different colors in it. Beautiful. The last Labradorite would be this one. Now guys, this is a purple Labradorite, which I hope you guys can see, and it is huge. It's purple with yellow. This is a huge stone, but I'm wondering if a jeweler can make it into a ring for me. And yeah, it's truly purple. Like, I hope you guys can see the purple flashes. And that's the thing about Labradorite, depending on the light source, it'll look a little different. So it looks a little different in the sunlight, the moonlight, indoor light. And so, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful gemstone. Had to get it. And if you can see, there's some blue right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I see it in person. There's a little bit of blue in the corner. But yes, gorgeous stone. And last but not least, I purchased a multi-gem pack. So I only got it because I saw one stone in here that I wanted. I don't know what this stone is, and I don't really care for it. It's green. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. It kind of looks like aquapraise, but I don't know what I'm going to do with the stone. I'm not really interested in it, but it came with the rest of them. This stone is inside the multi-gem pack. And basically, it's some sort of quartz with red things in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got specks of red. I think the stone is called Labradorite. So there you can see the red things in it. This is pretty. It's kind of just a bonus piece for me. I might have this made into a pendant, might have it made into a ring. I don't know yet. But I bought the multi-pack of stones because this stone was inside. And I'm in love with this stone. Now, this could be an emerald. I really think it's an emerald, but it also could be fluorite. I don't think it's fluorite because of the way it's faceted and because I don't see any banding through it, and it doesn't fluoresce either. So I'm thinking it's just a very pale emerald. It has that glow that only emeralds have. And this is a pretty big gemstone. Like, it's not the best emerald in the world, but it's gorgeous. And so I definitely want to have this made into a ring. Totally want to have that emerald made into a ring. I'm like 90% sure that this is emerald. I really don't think it's fluorite. So this is why I bought the multi-pack. It was on sale. The jeweler wasn't quite sure what stones were what. He just needed to clearance them out. So I think this would make a fabulous emerald ring. And so this concludes my loose gemstone haul. There will be more coming in the future, and I'm totally gonna have pieces made. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, Glamazons.